Hi dear students, last class we solved 4 problems from the exercise 7.1. Now problem number 5. In a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. Champa and Chameli walk into the class and after observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think ABCD is a square?" Chameli disagrees. Using distance formula, find which of them is correct. We have to find here Champa is right or Chameli. We will discuss. Champa told ABCD is a square. So, what is the condition for square? All sides are equal and diagonals are equal. Let us solve. From the figure, the points are here. The coordinates of A are 3, 4, coordinates of B are 6, 7, coordinates of C are 9, 4 and coordinates of D are 6, 1. See, I will draw the rough diagram of the square here. It is the square. The condition for square is A, B, C, D. Here all sides are equal, and also another condition is the diagonals also equal, means AC is equal to BD. We have to prove this much. Then only Champa becomes right, otherwise Chameli right. So, consider here 2 points. Consider A, 3, 4 and B 6, 7. Now, it is x1, y1, x2, y2. Using the distance formula, here AB is equal to what? By formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, which is equal to square root of x2 value is 6 minus 3 bracket square plus y2 value 7 minus 4 bracket square, which is equal to square root of 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus 7 minus 4 is 3 square, which is equal to square root of 3 square means 9 plus 9 is equal to square root of 18. This square root of 18 can be written as 9 into 2, which is equal to square root of 9 is 3. So, it is 3 root 2 units. It is the measurement of the distance between AB. Now, let us consider BC. Here consider B and C. The coordinates of B are 6, 7 and the coordinates of C are 9, 4. So, it is x1, y1, x2, y2. So, the distance between BC is here BC is equal to square root of, write the formula x2 minus x1 whole bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, which is equal to square root of x2 value 9 minus 6 bracket square plus 4 minus 7 bracket square, which is equal to square root of 9 minus 6, it is 3 square plus 4 minus 7, it is also 3 square, means here minus 3 bracket square. Again you will get 3 square means 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18. Root 18 can be written as 9 2s 18. it is 3 root 2 units. It is the measurement of what? BC. Now, let us consider one more thing here. Now, consider BC as here AB, BC, now CD. The coordinates of C are, the coordinates of C is 9, 4 and coordinates of D are 6, 1. By using the formula CD is equal to, it is x1 y1 x2 y2, same process, that is the square root of x2 minus x1 value 6 minus 9 bracket square plus 1 minus 4 bracket square. You will get again 6 minus 9 means minus 3 bracket square plus minus 3 bracket square. You will get square root of 3 square means 9 plus 9, you will get, which is equal to 18. 18 can be written as 9 into 2. Square root of 9, square root of 9 is, square root of 9 value is 3. Root 2 value is as it is root 2, 3 root 2 units. It is the value, here CD value is same. Now, AD value. Now, coordinates of A, here the coordinates of A are 3, 4 and the coordinates of D are 6, 1. Here again same x1 y1 x2 y2. Here AD is equal to, by formula x2 minus x1 bracket square means x6 minus 3 bracket square plus 1 minus 4 bracket square. Again you will get 6 minus 3 is 3 square plus minus 3 bracket square, which is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to root 18 is equal to 18 can be written as 9 into 2. It is 3 root 2 units. So, here AD value is same. Here what you obtained here, all the sides are equal and another condition is the diagonals also equal. See, we will prove the diagonals also equal. So, here diagonal means what? Here which is diagonal? AC is the diagonal. The coordinates of A are 3, 4 and the coordinates of C are 9, 4. Here AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square, 9 minus 3 bracket square plus 4 minus 4 bracket square, which is equal to square root of 9 minus 3 is 6, 6 square plus 4 minus 4 they get 0, 0 square is 0, that is equal to square root of 6 square is 36, square root of 36 is 6 units. It is the length of AC. Now, one more diagonal BD. Now, diagonal B, the values of B is 6, 7 and D 6, 1. Here the diagonal BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square, 6 minus 6 bracket square plus 1 minus 7 bracket square, which is equal to 6 minus 6 get cancels, here 0, 0 plus 1 minus 7 means minus 6 bracket square, which is equal to square root of 36 is equal to square root of 36 is 6 units. So, here the diagonals are equal. Here AC is equal to BD obtained, then AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, all sides are equal. Then it is a, hence it is a square. Therefore, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD and the diagonals AC is equal to BD. Hence, it is a square. Hence, it is a square. Who is right here? Champa or Chameli? Here, Champa is right. Here, Champa is right. Now, problem number 6. Problem number 6. The question, name the type of a quadrilateral formed. Name the type of a quadrilateral formed. Name the type of a quadrilateral formed. First one, and give the reason for your answer. In that first question is, the values are given minus 1 comma minus 2, 1 comma 0, minus 1 comma 2, minus 3 comma 0. This much given. It is the problem. Now, we will move to the solution here. So, for the quadrilateral, let us check the same way. It is the coordinate of A, B, C, D. So, these are the coordinates of A, B, C and D. Here consider AB here, means A coordinates minus 1 comma minus 2 and P coordinates are 1 comma 0. Its value is what? x1, y1, x2, y2. So, therefore, the distance between the points AB is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, which is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 means 1 minus minus plus 1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1, y2 value 0, 0 minus minus plus 2 bracket square, it is 0, it is not 6, it is 0, which is equal to square root of 1 plus 1, 2 square plus 2 square is equal to square root of 4 plus 4 is equal to square root of 4 plus 4 is 8. You can write this much, or you can write 8 can be written as 4 into 2. We can write 8 can be written as 2 root 2, because 8 can be written as 4 into 2 root 2 units. Now, we will take another one. So, Here consider the points BC, same as previous problem, 1 comma 0 and C coordinates minus 1 comma 2. Here BC is equal to formula square root of x2 minus x1 means minus 1 bracket square plus 2 minus 0 bracket square, which is equal to square root of minus 1 bracket square means minus 2 bracket square plus 2 square, which is equal to square root of 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. This root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 units. It is the value of, here AB is equal to BC obtained. AB is equal to BC obtained. Now consider now AB, BC, now CD. Consider C and D. C coordinates minus 1 comma 2, minus 1 comma 2, and the coordinates of D are minus 3 comma 0. Now CD, the distance between 2 points CD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square minus 3 minus minus plus 1 bracket square plus 0 minus 2 bracket square. You will get square root of minus 3 plus 1, you will get 2 square plus 2 square is equal to square root of 4 plus 4 is equal to root 8. Root 8 can be written as 2 root 2 units. It is the value of CD. Now AD. So take here AD. The coordinates of A are minus 1, minus 2 and D coordinates minus 3 comma 0. Here AD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square minus 3 minus minus plus 1 bracket square plus 0 minus minus plus 2 bracket square, which is equal to square root of minus 3 plus 1, you will get minus 2 bracket square plus 2 square. Square root of 2 square is 4 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 is 8, can be written as 2 root 2 units. Here all sides are equal. Here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD, all sides are equal. Here one more condition, we will check for diagonals. For diagonals AC, for diagonal AC, A coordinate minus 1 comma minus 2, minus 1 comma minus 2, and the coordinates of C are minus 1 comma 2. It is x1, y1, x2, y2. Therefore, the distance between 2 points AC is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square, which is equal to square root of plus 1 minus 1 get cancels here, then it is 0, 2 plus 2 means 4, 4 square. This 2, this root cancels, we will get 4 units. Now take another diagonal. Here consider another diagonal. Diagonal BD. The coordinates of B are 1 comma 0, and the coordinates of D are minus 3 comma 0. Therefore, BD is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square means x2 value is minus 3 minus 1 bracket square plus 0 minus 0 bracket square, which is equal to square root of minus 3 minus 1 you will get minus 4 bracket square plus 0 here. Minus 4 bracket square can be written as square root of 4 4 is 16. Root 16 means 4 units. Its length is 4 units. What you conclude? Here name the quadrilateral. Here, therefore it is a square. Means here it is means here A B C D is a square. Why it is square? Give reason for the answer. Because ABCD is a square because all sides are equal. All sides are equal and diagonals also equal. Now, in that problem again two problems are there, second and third one, which are similar to this problem. Do it yourself. Now, problem number 7. Problem number 7. Find the point on the x axis. Seventh problem. Find the point on the x axis. Here, point on the x axis means here y is equal to 0. On x axis y value is 0. Find the point on the x axis which is equidistant. Condition is given. What is the condition? Which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Here the simple see, let the point on x axis be, let point on x axis be x comma 0. Here the coordinates are x comma y. Here point on y axis, point on x axis, the value of y is 0. So, I have taken x comma 0. Then the distance which are equidistant from the point, it is equidistant is given. So, the by condition what is the condition here? Which are equidistant. So, by the condition the points distance between 2 comma minus 5 and x comma 0 which are equidistant, this one and next one, by using the formula distance between the points, distance is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. It is x1 y1 x2 y2. Which is equal to square root of x2 means x minus x1 means 2, x minus 2 bracket square plus y2 value is 0 minus minus plus 5 bracket square, which is equal to square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus 5 square means 25, only this much. This is the distance of what? These 2 points. Then consider another point, consider another one here, consider another on x axis x comma 0, here take this point, this one minus 2 comma 9 and the points x comma 0 which are equidistant, they are equidistant. So, the distance between the points is given by is equal to square root of the formula x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. It is the value of x1 y1 x2 y2. Which is equal to square root of x2 value x minus x1 minus minus plus x plus 2 bracket square plus y2 value 0 minus y1 value 9 y minus 9 bracket square. Which is equal to square root of x plus 2 bracket square plus 9 square value is 81. This is the distance between these 2 points and the distance between these 2 points. The condition is what? Find the point on x axis which is equidistant from 2 comma minus 5 and minus 2 comma 9. Here both are equidistant. So, we want to find the value of x. Let us take here, we have to take this value is equal to this value because which are equidistant. Okay. So, I will write this one. So, therefore, they are equidistant. Therefore, for equidistant for equidistant condition, we can write square root of x minus 2 bracket square plus 25 which is equal to square root of x plus 2 bracket square plus 81. Here this square root and this square root get cancels. What remains here? X minus 2 bracket square plus 25 which is equal to x plus 2 bracket square plus 81. Now, so it is a which form? A minus b bracket square formula. Expand this one. A minus b bracket square formula. A square means x square minus 2ab, 2 into x 4x minus 2ab plus b square. B value is 2, b it is b value is 2, 2 square means 4 plus 25 is equal to, expand this one, a plus b bracket square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Again this 81 as it is, here also 25 as it is. Now, same terms get cancels here. This x square get cancels. Here minus 4x plus 4x is, they didn't get cancelled. Here plus 4 get cancelled. What remains here? Minus 4x plus 25 is equal to 4x plus 81. Now minus 4x, x term one side, make the plus 4x comes here, it becomes minus 4x is equal to 81. This 25 comes here, it becomes minus 25, which is equal to minus 8x is equal to 81 minus 25, you will get 56. So here minus value is there. 8 ones are 8 sevens are. So what will get? Minus x is equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to minus 7. It is the value of x. Therefore the point is, we have to write, therefore the point is x comma 0, which is equal to x value is minus 7 comma 0. Clear? Now problem number 8. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points p of 2 comma minus 3 and q of 10 comma y is 10 units. Yes, it is a simple problem. Problem number 8. Problem number 8. Here find the value of y. Here y is equal to question mark. Find the value of y for which the distance between the points. Here distance between the points are given. The coordinates of p are 2 comma minus 3 and q are 10 comma y, and the distance is given, that is the distance is equal to, distance means pq is equal to 10 units. Here 10 units, the distance is given, distance is 10 units. Here we have to find the value of y. Now the solution is very simple. Distance between the points means we are going to find the distance between the points pq. Here distance is given, pq is equal to, it is x1 y1 x2 y2. What is the formula? x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 means y minus y1, y1 is minus 3, minus minus plus 3 bracket square. PQ value is how much? 10, because here given the distance between the points is 10 units. So write PQ is 10 is equal to, wait, here I have to write x2 minus x1, then y2 minus y1 bracket square. Wait, I will write clearly. Here it is. x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here PQ value is how much? 10, which is equal to square root of x2 value. x2 value is how much? 10 minus x1 value 2, x 10 minus 2 bracket square plus y2 minus y1. y2 value is y minus y1 minus minus plus y plus 3 bracket square. Here 10 is equal to square root of 10 minus 2 means 8 square plus y plus 3 bracket square. So this root comes here, it becomes square root, sorry, this square root comes here, it becomes square. So 10 square, this root comes to this side, LHS side, it becomes square. Square comes here, it becomes square root comes here, it becomes square. 10 square is equal to 8 square means 64 plus y plus 3 bracket square. So, it is 10 square means 100 minus 64 is equal to y plus 3 bracket square. Now, this 100 minus 64 you will get 36 is equal to y plus 3 bracket square. This 36 can be written as 6 square is equal to y plus 3 bracket square. This 2 get cancels here. What you will get? So, therefore, here 6 is equal to y plus 3 remains. So, you want y value, rearrange this one, y plus 3 is equal to 6, y is equal to 6 plus 3 comes here becomes minus 3, y is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3, it is the value of y. If you take plus or minus values, you may take, if you take plus or minus values, you will get y value is 3 and another in negative value, that is minus 9. Now, this is sufficient. Now, problem number 9. Problem number 9. If q coordinates 0, 1 is equidistant from p 5, minus 3 and r of x, 6, find the values of x. Also find the distance q r and p r, yes, which is similar to the 7th problem. Do it yourself. Now, problem number 10, last problem of the exercise. Problem number 10. Find a relation between x and y. Here, find the relation between x and y such that the point x, y is equidistant from the point 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. Yes. Such that the point here, point is given, here point is what? X, y, and another point is 3, 6 and minus 3, 4. So, the condition is point x, y is equidistant from 3, 6 and minus 3. This, so this point is equidistant from this one and also from this one. Okay, let us consider. Here consider x, y and 3, 6. So, we will write the distance between the points. Distance between the points is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, both are same. So, 3 you can write 3 minus x or x minus 3, both are same. So, this term minus this term or this term minus this term. So, here x is there, first I will write x term, x minus 3 bracket square plus this term minus this term, then this term minus this term, y minus 6 bracket square. It is according to formula. You have to write the formula first. While solving every problem, you have to write the formula. So, that is equal to x minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 6 bracket square, it is the distance. So, now consider another point, this much only the distance, do not simplify here, we will simplify next. Now, we will consider x, y and minus 3, 4. which is equal to the distance between the points is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2, both are same. X1 I will take it here, x1 is there now. First I will write x minus minus plus 3 bracket square plus this term y2 minus y1 or y1 minus y2, y minus 4 bracket square. So, it is the distance. By condition is what? The condition is which are equidistant, means these two are equal. Therefore, square root of x minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 6 bracket square is equal to square root of x plus 3 bracket square plus y minus 4 bracket square. Here this root get cancels. Now, what remains here? So, here x minus 3 bracket square plus y minus 6 bracket square is equal to x plus 3 bracket square plus y minus 4 bracket square. Simplify this one. It is of the form a minus b bracket square formula, a minus b bracket square formula, a plus b bracket square formula, a plus b bracket square formula. So, a minus bracket square is a square, x square minus 2ab means 6x because 3 to the 6 plus b square, 3 square means 9 plus again a minus bracket square formula y square minus 12y plus 36 is equal to x plus 3 bracket square means x square plus 2ab means 6x plus 9 again plus y minus 4 bracket square, y minus 4 y square minus 8y plus 4 square means 16. Now, similar term get cancels here. This x square get cancels, then this plus 9 get cancels. Okay, this much only. Now, write the remaining terms here. Minus 6x plus y square minus 12y plus 36 is equal to y square. Okay, wait, I will cancel this one also. This y square get cancels here. Now, this one so here minus 6x minus 12y plus 36 is equal to 6x minus 8y plus 16. Now, minus 6x, rearrange the terms, minus 6x, this plus this 6x comes here, it becomes minus 6x, minus 12y, minus 8y comes here, it becomes plus 8y plus 36 minus 16 is equal to 0. So, here what you will get like terms, these are the like terms, group this one, y constant terms one side, minus 6x minus 12x, then minus 12 plus 8 you will get 4 minus 4y, then 36 you will get plus 20 is equal to 0. Now, here take the negative sign common here, or take 4 minus 4 common. Here minus 4 common, what you will get? 4 3 is 3x, here plus y, because minus 4 into y you will get minus 4 y, plus 25, plus here we have to take minus 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 plus, here we have to take minus 5, it is minus 5. It is minus 5. Now, which is equal to 0. Then minus 4 comes to this RHS side, it becomes 0. What will get? 3x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. This is the required relation. So, this much only. Today we discussed exercise 7.2, 7.1. This is the complete exercise. Remaining part we will discuss in next class, that is exercise 7.2. Thank you, dear students.